Hello everyone, I am Professor Prashant Dupare, Assistant Professor, Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Management Studies and Research, Nagpur. Today we will discuss about HTML programming. What is HTML? What is the use of HTML language? How we can create the contents for the web pages. So all these basic things we are covered in this lecture. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a special coded text which is used to create the contents for the web pages which is run on the internet. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. This is the standard language which is used for to create the web pages, and all these web contents are created especially in a hypertext markup language. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. There are some elements which is used to create the specific contents or the special contents for the internet. HTML elements are represented by tags. All the contents or maximum contents are created by using some tags. So this is called as a tag. It is enclosed in a less than and greater than symbol. Next is character tag. What is character tags? There are two types of tags: physical tag and logical tag. Physical tag specifies how the specific character will be formatted. It decided how the specific character will be appear in the browser's window. For example, bold, italic, underline. These are some physical tags which is display the result on the browser's window in a bold, italic and underline format. So its appearance is already previously defined how it appears in a browser's window. Next is logical tag. Logical tags are designed to describe the enclosed text meaning. So browser how can understand these tags and rendering them and display them on the browser's window. So it decided its meaning. For example, strong tag or emphasize tag. This is a tag which is already says that its effects will be appear on the browser's window with the special meaning. So these are the some logical tags. So character tags are physical tags and logical tags. Now next is, what is the syntax of HTML program? If you want to create the contents for web pages, there is a language, HTML language. So before writing the program in HTML language, you must have a syntax. You know that what is the rules and regulations. So HTML syntax divided into three parts. Basically it divides in three parts. First is heading, second is body section, and third is closing of HTML program. So first is heading section. So heading section is used for specifying the title of the web page or specifying data which is used to capture by the web browser before displaying its contents on the web browser. Next is body section. In body section, data preview on the browser's window. What we write in a body section, it appears in a browser's window. So all the contents of the web pages, most of the time programmer will be write in a body section. This section appears in a browser's main window. Now after writing the program, we can close this program by using some tags. We can see in next slide or in the demonstration of HTML program. So basically HTML syntax divided into three parts: heading section, body section and close of the program. So what is the syntax and how we can write the syntax? So every program will be start from HTML. Next section is heading section. So we can write the head tag, then title tag, then close the head tag. So in heading section, we can start the heading section by using head tag. In this head tag, we can specify the title of the web page. So we can use the title tag. After that, we can specify the title of the web page. By specifying the title of the web page, so when you write the tag Tag is used for to giving some special meaning to the enclosed text. Here we can start the title tag, then we can close the title tag. So if you start the tag, any tag, you must close it by using / and the name of the tag. Now next is we can close the heading section here. Now we start the body section. In body section, this is the main section which is appear in a browser's window. In body section we can write h1 tag to give the heading, then bold tag, then italic tag, I tag. So h1 is used for to heading, give the heading. B is used for to give the text in a bold format or appear in a bold format. I is used for to display the specific contents in a italic mode. After writing all the program, we can close the body section by using /body. Then we can close all the program by using /html tag. So this is 3 section. First is we can start the program, then heading section, then body of the program, then we can close the HTML program here by using /html. Here when we write the program in HTML language, how browser will be understand. So we can write in a heading section, it appears in a title window, it is a heading section. So all the heading section will be supplied to the browser, then browser can understand them and identify which is the part of heading section and which is the part of body section. So all the heading part will be appear in a title bar or all this specific section. So meta is also specified in a heading section. Meta is used for to search the contents in the Google. So all this specified in a heading section. If you supply in a body section, it will be appear in this block, that is a body section. So browser displays that particular page like this format. So there are 3 sections. First is heading section, which is appear in this title bar, then body section will be appear in this window, and we can close this program by using HTML tag. Now we can write the simple program to demonstrate this syntax of the HTML document. First of all, you must create your specific folder which contains all the HTML documents there. So I create your folder demo. So you can create your own folder, then open it, then write program here. So all the HTML documents program will be written in a notepad file. So you can create here notepad file, click right button, then select new, then select text document, then give the name of the file here, for example prg1, so program 1, then open it, press enter, then again press enter to open that particular file. It appears in a notepad editor. So we can write here the program. Every program will be start by tag HTML. It is not a case sensitive language, so we can write in a capital or lowercase also. So HTML, this says that here the program is start. Now next is heading section. So to start the heading section, we can write head tag. Then in heading section, we can supply the title of the web page. So for supplying title, there is a tag title. Then specify the title of the web page. For example, my web page. So here we can supply my web page is a title of the web page. So to stop the title tag, we can use /title to close the title tag. You can close all the supplied tag by using and its tag name. You must close that. If you doesn't close that, then effect will be automatically apply all the text document. Now next is we can here we can supply the title of the web page, my web page. Here we can close the head tag. It means heading section will be closed here. We can close it by using /head. So here heading section will be closed. Now next is main part of the web page, that is body section. So we can start the body by using body tag. Now there are different types of tags. Number of tags are available in HTML to give special meaning to the text. We can implement this 3 tags, that is bold, italic and underline, to demonstrate how we can create the HTML document. So B tag is used for to take a text in a bold format. So B, then your text, for example, good morning. Then you can close the bold tag by using /B. So we can start the tag B tag. Okay, then here we can close the B tag. In this particular text there are a statement good morning. So here the good morning text will be appearing in bold format. Now next is italic. So italic tag I is used for to take a text in an italic format. So I, then your text, for example, good morning. Then close the italic tag by using /I. Then you can give the effect of underline. We use U tag, then your text, then we can close the tag U tag by using /U. So this is the body section. You can write here bold, italic, underline for the good morning message. Here our body section will be closed. So we can close the body by using /body tag. Then we can close the program by /HTML tag. So this is the basic program for creating the web page. Here HTML start the program, then head tag start the heading section. In heading section there is a title tag which is specify the title of the web page. /title tag close the title tag. Then here we can close the head tag. Then we can start body section. This is the main program, main logic of the program. It appears in a browser's window. So body section contains the main part of the web page. In this body section we can use B tag. B is used for bold, I is used for italic, and U is used for underline. /body tag tells that here we can conclude the body section. After concluding the body section, we can use the /HTML to close the HTML program. Now you can save this program by specifying the extension .html. So click on the file menu, then select save as, then specify the extension .html. Here type is all document. Select here save type as all files. Then click on the save button. After clicking the save button, system generated this particular code in a HTML document format, so it is ready to run on the web browser. So here you can see that PRG1 converted in a HTML file. This is a text file and this is HTML file. If you are double click on this program1 file, then it automatically open in a browser's window. So click the select your particular browser. For example, I select here Firefox, then OK. Here the result of the particular we are already created the file is appear on the browser's window. So here good morning messages appear in a bold format, then italic format and in a underline format. So like that we can create a simple program in HTML language. So we will learn how we can create the basic HTML document, how we can run it on the browser's window. There are different tags also we can use to create the HTML file. So these are some examples of HTML tags. There are list tag, there are table tags, there are frame, then image. Number of tags are available in HTML language. So we can demonstrate the list tag here: order list, unordered list. There are three types of list: order list, unordered list and description list. Now let's see how we can create the order list. Here we can create new program. So for creating new program, click right button here, then select new, then select text document, then give some name PRG. For example, I will give a PRG2. Then open that file, then write the program. Every program will start from HTML tag. So this is the starting of the program. Then heading section. So specify the heading section, HEAD. Then title of the web page. Order list. Then close the title, /title. So slash is useful to close all the tags. Here you can close the heading section, /head. So this is the heading section, heading part of the HTML document. Then you can start the body section. Here body, this is the main part of the HTML document. Here you can create the order list. So creating order list, you can use the tag OL tag. It creates the order list. Then after that, in the list there are some items also. So to define the item, we can use li. So list item. First item is, for example, BBA. You can close the first item, that is li/li. Now second item is li BCCA. Close this next item /li. Third item is start the MC. Close this item /li. So we can start the list, order list, by using OL tag. So OL tag is for to create an order list, and LI is for to specify the list item. Here there are 3 items: BBA, BCCA and MCM. Here you can close the OL tag to stop the list /OL. This says that here the tag will be, the effect of the OL tag will be close or stop. Now we can close the body section /body. Then here we can close the HTML document /HTML. So like that we can create the order list. So you can save this program by using file, then click on the save as, then give the name of the program, for example ol.html order list, then select type of the file, all files, then save. So OL will be converted in a HTML document format. Now you can open the file in browsers window. So all the files are created here. Here we can see that the OL will be converted in a HTML file. So it is confirmed that it is run on the browsers window. So double click on this file. Here this is the preview of this coding. First is BBA, second is BCCA and third is MCM. So 1, 2, 3, this says that this is a order list. So like that we can create the order list in HTML document file. Thank you for this watching video.